Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be using one of my own razors again. I'm just having a bit of a break from restoring vintage razors. I've got up to date with everything. However, I've just been on the internet and I've won another nice auction in England. I put my bid on this lot. It's a mixed lot of about 67 razors. 4 of them are just okay, but 2 of them look really nice. Nice condition, nice handles. So I shall look forward to restoring some of them. But in the meantime, I'm going to enjoy using my own razors for a change. And the one today is another one from the Hawcroft stable. This is the one previous was from Hawcroft and Sons, which dates at around 1840. This one is the famous Renown. You can see the Renown, I think. Light on would help. The lettering's worn out. There, I think you can see it there. But anyway, it looks a very understated, narrow razor, but this spike point is lethal. It caught me out quite a few times with this blade. Original handle. So going back to dates, it's probably dated around 1830, something like that. It's almost silent, this razor. You can see the point. Let's just try this. Sometimes it's difficult to get the things in focus with these camera phones. I've ordered a new telephone, cell phone, so hopefully the quality of videos will improve on this old thing. Cell phones have improved tremendously over the last 10 years or so. This one still runs off coal, steam operated. This is where you have to watch this little devil around your ears. I'll come back to that. Just there, you gotta be careful when you're coming up to your ear. Whenever you end up like Van Gogh. I plan to actually do a different video today. I was going to do a comparison of my Darwin razor. Quite a unique contraption really. And I was going to compare it to a Rolls a Rolls razor, because the guy who invented it, I can't remember his name offhand, but I'll look it up again. The guy who invented it wanted to improve on the Rolls razor, so he actually invented his own little contraption called the Darwin razor, and it is quite unique in the way that it's made completely from cobalt steel. As opposed to carbon steel or stainless. And the reason for that is because you had a factory that made cobalt steel. However, the reason why I've not done the video today is because the edge of the razor has gone off. I haven't used it for such a long time. So when I came to strop it today, we were in readiness for this video, the blade and the spare blade wouldn't pass the hanging hair test. Almost, but not quite. So I'll have to refresh those blades. Over the next couple of days, and do a shave test, like a comparison with the Rolls. Rolls are great blades, you know. But the Darwin just has a little bit more of a better design, shall we say. But just going back to this Hawcroft, this Renown blade, if you ever come across one on eBay, you gotta snap it up, because they're highly recommended. This blade is actually about 200 years old. Still got the original handle, blade's in great condition, nice wedge point, and it's still going strong, highly recommended. Just wipe the old blade. There you go, thanks very much for watching. So hopefully, if these the Darwin blades respond favourably, I'll be shave testing that next against the Rolls razor, the Rolls Viscount razor. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and catch up with you later on at the weekend. Bye for now.